four, me, my husband, my son, and my mother, who will be staying in this house. Me and my husband, both of us are working. So our schedules are very tight. While we decided that we should go ahead and construct a house, we were in dilemma. We should we or should we not? Considering both of us are working and son is studying. See, we have been staying in this place, Ghaziabad, for almost 17 to 18 years, and we already bought two houses where we used to stay. But then there are always issues when you buy something which is already constructed. So you don't know what kind of material has been put in, what all are the issues that you'll be faced. That is a part of it. And then definitely building your own home is an emotional decision. You get attached to every brick of the house because you have seen that coming from nothing to a beautiful house. So that made us decide that let us start looking out for the options and build our own house. So as I already told you that both me and my husband are working. Our schedules are very tight. So we were looking for someone whom we can trust, who can check everything is happening in a correct way in our absence. And that was the time when we decided to look for some partner. And we came to know about Bricks and Bolt. We visited their office. We understood the entire process that they used to do. That gave us a comfort that there is someone who will be looking out that things are happening in a proper way even if we are not available. So we used to visit to this place only over the weekends because during the weekdays we were busy, but the live tracking on the application of Bricks and Bolt help us to know that what is the stage where construction is, what quality checks has been cleared, if there is any issue, what is the issue. So the transparency that we got during this journey help us to rebuild our confidence in Bricks and Bolt. So the project was always before time when we started the journey. Despite certain GRAP restrictions because of the pollution, we were still able to deliver the project on time. So we are very happy with that, the timeline that we decided we were able to get up. So we used to sit with them and discuss how we want our house and what are the ideas that we want to build in. Sometimes there are some technical issues which we don't know. So they help us to tell that technically what can be done, what cannot be done, and there was time when few things when we felt that cannot happen, and then they come back with the solution. So definitely they were with us throughout this journey, guiding us, supporting us, and telling us what we are looking at, how it can be delivered. So we try to have many sit-out areas in this room, like we kept large balconies, we have a pergola at the terrace, where family can sit together, we can enjoy our mornings and evenings. So we try to have those areas maximum where we can have a separate segment and we can use them as per our requirements. So this is the place which I like the most. I always wanted to have my big dressing area in which I can keep all my accessories, my everything. So we designed it, we sat over it, and then finally this has come to shape, and I think I'll be spending quite a lot of my time in this area. See, I would recommend it very strongly. So if you want to build up your house and you want to keep yourself relaxed, so because you have a partner with you who is taking equal seriousness in building this house, you should look for Bricks and Bolt and you should go ahead with that.